Hi everyone, here is Mr. Fernandez. It seems that Mr. Mikes and the English department are using some of the ranges and periods and events that we practiced last year. So this is just a quick review so you can do the exercise properly. Okay, so remember a couple of things about periods and ranges. I'm going to use it with Peru. When you have a range or a period, you're going to draw it with a bracket. Okay, and when you have events, you're going to always use arrows. Arrows will go at the bottom of the line. Events and ranges, which are represented by brackets, will go on the top. So let's try to use a little factual information about Peru. Let's take three ranges in Peru: the Pacific War, Chile versus Peru, the Viceroyalty in Peru, and the Republic at times in Peru. So I'm going to start drawing brackets for those three ranges. And I'm going to have at the bottom the Battle of Angamos, which is a very important battle in Peru. Slavery is abolished in Peru, Independence Day, and the rebellion of Tupac Amaru, which is an important rebel against Spain. Let's start with the ranges. I'll take the first one, okay? So the Pacific War, Chile versus Peru. You are not drawing to a scale, so don't worry about the size of the ranges. But if the whole line represents, I don't know, 0 to 2020 today, I'm going to throw that range around there, approximately. I can rearrange them later. That's why it's good that you do it in pencil first. Then, always the title on the top, and I have my first approximate range there. Then I'm going to get the Viceroyalty. I know that the Viceroyalty in Peru is before the war in Peru, so I'm going to throw the range to the left, and I'm going to write the title on the top. Then I'll take my Republican times in Peru that actually the Republican times begins when the Viceroyalty in Peru ends. So those two lines are going to touch each other. And at the end will be just today, 2020. So you can see how you can have even ranges inside of ranges. That's totally okay. But what you have to do is try to keep a pattern. Once you place the titles on the top, always place the titles on the top of the ranges. Let's try with the events now. Oh, and one more thing, I was forgetting about it. You can throw dates if you know dates, isn't it? Like Viceroyalty in Peru, if you know 1542, you write it there. The same for the end of Viceroyalty, for the wars in Chile against Peru, and today. If you don't know the date, that is okay. But if you know it exactly, that will help you later to kind of anchor the other events that are coming next. When you have the events, take the first one, and then plot it, drawing a line directly there. Place the date not in the line but close to the event, and then draw the line. Then do the second one. In this case, you can tell that they are very close together, so one arrow is longer than the other one, so it allows room for all the events there be very well organized. Then I'm going to set up the next one approximately, and finally the next one there in 1879. And that's how you do it. Pretty simple. Ranges on the top, arrows at the bottom, organizing periods versus events. That's it.